Johnson and I'm 8 years old. And guess what I'll be doing today? I'm going on a cruise. It's gonna be epic. I can't wait. We're boarding the ship. Let's board. We just got on the ship. Should I show you a tour of the boat? This is the Lido pool. This is the sea view pool. This is the sea view elevator. Let's go to the buffet. Let's grab some fruit. Let's eat some pancake. This is the room that we are staying in. Our cruise stopped in Juneau, so let's go explore and have some fun. This museum is really cool. There's all sorts of things about Alaska. Alaska had a huge gold rush. Look at this fire. Look, they also played violin like me. These are my friends. This is Freya and this is Kat. This is what Freya can do. Kat gives me piggyback rides. Juneau is so fun! See you in Sitka. Let's board the ship. Look at the beautiful glaciers. You know why there's so many glaciers? Because we're in Glacier Bay. We can see them beautifully from our cruise. Look at the beautiful nature. Our cruise stopped in Sitka. Sitka is a really small city. Let's go explore it. Let's get off the ship to get to Sitka.
Morning, have a great day.
Look, there's a sign. We visited a rap center in Sitka. We're exploring downtown Sitka. Ship. Our ship is stopping again. This time in Ketchikan. Come on, let's go. Look at downtown Ketchikan. Here are some cool statues. Look at the totem. Taking a tram. I'm right under Ketchikan's federal building. We're celebrating the 4th of July on our cruise. Happy 4th of July Day. Look how fast we are going. Going on a cruise was so much fun. I hope you liked my journey. Comment down below where you would like me to go cruising next. I also want to give a big thanks to Fran and Kat. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And also give my video a big like if you like my whole video. And thanks for watching. Bye!